Look at his spoiled butt. Look at his little spoiled butt. Was screaming all morning. You were screaming all morning, weren't you? She just wanted some cuddles, and you don't know how to act. Have y'all ever seen a spoiled bird? Well, y'all looking at it. No! You are just a little rotten birdie. Look at this spoiled baby mama. Just a little mama's bird. You so spoiled. What are you trying to do, Snowflake? Bird. Oh my God, bird. It is not another you. Dude. Snowflake. Can you chill and settle down? Here you go, baby bird. You're doing way too much, Snowflake. 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 What are you doing? Baby. Chill. You are such a bird. Bird. No. Oh my God, Snowflake. This animal. Why can't you just chill? Snowflake.